Hey everyone, it's your name, and winter is officially here. Now, while some of you might be stoked about the cozy vibes and holiday cheer, let's be real, our skin isn't always as thrilled, right? We're talking dryness, flakiness, that tight, uncomfortable feeling. The struggle is real. But guys, don't stress. Winter doesn't have to mean saying goodbye to that healthy, radiant glow. We just need to tweak our skincare game a bit to combat the harsh effects of the cold, dry air, and indoor heating. In this video, I'm going to be your ultimate guide to winter skincare, sharing some super effective and totally natural home remedies that will keep your skin happy, healthy, and glowing all season long. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk about the #1 winter skin complaint, dryness. You know that feeling when your skin feels tight, itchy, and looks a little flaky? Yeah, not the vibe we're going for. So why does this happen? Well, picture this. It's freezing outside, and the air is super dry because cold air just can't hold as much moisture. This lack of humidity in the air literally sucks the moisture out of our skin, leaving it feeling parched, and you guessed it, dry. And if you think you're safe indoors, think again. Indoor heating, while cozy, also contributes to the problem by further drying out the air. It's like a double whammy of dryness attacking our poor skin. But don't worry, we've got this. The key here is to replenish that lost moisture and strengthen our skin's natural barrier function. Later in the video, we'll be diving into some amazing natural remedies to combat dryness and bring back that healthy hydration. Think rich moisturizers, hydrating face masks, and more. Stay tuned because we're about to banish dryness and flakiness for good. Let's be real, nobody wants to rock up to a holiday party with chapped, flaky lips. And during winter, our lips are often the first to suffer. Think about it. The skin on our lips is incredibly thin and delicate, making it super vulnerable to the elements. And because it lacks those oil glands that keep the rest of our skin naturally moisturized, it's way more prone to drying out. Add in the drying effects of cold air, wind, and even indoor heating, and bam, chapped lips galore. And let's not forget those of us who love a good matte lipstick, which can further dehydrate our already parched lips. But don't worry, I've got your back, or should I say, your lips. The key to preventing and healing chapped lips is simple: consistent hydration and protection. We need to create a barrier that locks in moisture and shields our lips from the harsh elements. Stay tuned because in just a bit, I'm going to share my all-time favorite natural lip balm recipe, using simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. It's a game changer, trust me. Okay, so we've talked about dryness and chapped lips, but winter can also bring along its not-so-fun friends, irritation and redness. Imagine this, you're bundled up, walking down the street, and suddenly, your face feels like it's on fire. Sound familiar? Those harsh winter winds can wreak havoc on our skin barrier, stripping away its natural oils and leaving it feeling raw, irritated, and looking redder than usual. And for those with sensitive skin, eczema, or rosacea, winter can be a real trigger, causing flare-ups and making existing conditions even worse. But don't worry, there are ways to combat this winter-induced irritation. The key is to soothe and protect our skin's delicate barrier. Stay tuned, because we'll be diving into some amazing natural remedies using ingredients like oatmeal, honey, and chamomile that will calm inflammation, reduce redness, and restore your skin's natural balance. So we've already established that winter can be pretty brutal on our skin. But for those of us dealing with existing skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis, it can feel like a full-on assault. The combination of cold, dry air outside and the dehydrating effects of indoor heating creates this perfect storm that can trigger flare-ups and make our skin feel extra sensitive and uncomfortable. Eczema, with its itchy red patches, and psoriasis, with its scaly, flaky areas, can both become more intense during the winter months. It's like our skin is screaming for help. But don't worry, we're not going to let winter win. Managing these conditions during winter requires a two-pronged approach: gentle care and intense moisture. We need to soothe inflammation, reduce dryness, and strengthen our skin's protective barrier. Stick around because I'm going to share some natural remedies and lifestyle tips that have been lifesavers for me in managing my own skin sensitivity during the colder months. You've got this. Alright, let's talk about the foundation of healthy skin, especially during winter hydration. And no, I don't just mean slathering on moisturizers, although that's super important too. I'm talking about hydrating from the inside out. You see, When we're dehydrated, our skin is the first to show it. It becomes dry, flaky, and loses that healthy glow. Think of it like a plant that's been deprived of water. It wilts. So how do we combat this? Simple: drink up. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. And no, sugary drinks and excessive caffeine don't count. They can actually dehydrate you even more. But water isn't the only way to up your hydration game. Fruits and vegetables like watermelon, cucumber, and spinach are packed with water and essential nutrients that nourish your skin from within. And here's a pro tip. Carry a reusable water bottle with you everywhere you go. It's a constant reminder to stay hydrated, and it's good for the environment too. Remember, hydrated skin is happy skin, so drink up and let your inner glow shine through. Now, let's talk about the MVPs of winter skincare natural oils. These babies are like a warm hug for your skin, providing intense moisture, nourishment, and protection from the elements. Think of natural oils like coconut oil, jojoba oil, and shea butter as the ultimate winter warriors for your skin. They're packed with fatty acids that mimic your skin's natural oils, helping to strengthen its barrier function and lock in moisture. Coconut oil, for example, is a powerhouse of hydration and has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it amazing for soothing dry, irritated skin. Jojoba oil, on the other hand, is a bit lighter and is incredibly similar to our skin's natural sebum, making it perfect for all skin types, even oily or acne-prone skin. And then we have shea butter, a rich, luxurious butter that's deeply moisturizing and perfect for those extra dry areas like elbows, knees, and even lips. The best part? You can use these oils on their own or add a few drops to your favorite moisturizer for an extra boost of hydration. Trust me, incorporating natural oils into your winter skincare routine will be a game changer for keeping your skin soft, supple, and glowing all season long. Who doesn't love a good face mask, especially during the winter when our skin is craving some extra TLC? But here's the thing, you don't need to spend a fortune on expensive spa treatments or fancy products. Some of the most effective and nourishing face masks can be whipped up right in your kitchen using simple, natural ingredients. One of my all-time favorite winter face mask recipes is the Hydrating Honey and Avocado Mask. It's like a tall glass of water for your skin. Here's what you'll need. Half an avocado, hello healthy fats, a tablespoon of raw honey, nature's humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture, and a teaspoon of plain yogurt, gentle exfoliation, and a dose of probiotics. Simply mash the avocado, mix in the honey and yogurt, and apply it to clean skin. Relax for about 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Your skin will be left feeling baby soft, hydrated, and glowing. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to face masks. Try to incorporate one into your routine once or twice a week for best results. Now I know what you're thinking. Exfoliation in the winter? Isn't that a bit harsh? Well, here's the thing. While we want to be extra gentle with our skin during the winter, exfoliation is still important for removing those dead skin cells that can build up and make our complexion look dull and uneven. The key is to choose gentle exfoliants and not overdo it. We're not trying to scrub our skin raw here. One of my favorite natural exfoliants is a simple sugar scrub. Just mix equal parts sugar, white or brown sugar works, with a carrier oil like coconut oil or olive oil. Gently massage the mixture onto your skin in circular motions, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Another great option is a coffee ground scrub. Coffee is a natural exfoliant and also contains antioxidants that can help brighten the skin. Just mix used coffee grounds with a bit of coconut oil or honey and use it just like the sugar scrub. Remember, a little goes a long way. Exfoliate once or twice a week, depending on your skin's sensitivity, to reveal smoother, brighter, and more radiant skin. And there you have it, my friends. Winter doesn't have to mean suffering from dry or irritated skin. By utilizing these natural home remedies and tips tailored specifically for winter care, alongside mindful practices, you can maintain healthy, glowing skin throughout the colder months. Remember that consistency is key. Make these practices part of your daily routine for lasting results. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health and wellness tips. Share your favorite winter skincare remedies in the comments below. Let's support each other on our journey toward wellness. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a healthcare provider before trying new skincare remedies, especially if you have specific skin concerns. Individual results may vary. Use at your own risk.